An outspoken women's advocate is accusing the Queensland Government of rigging the consultation process for a proposed new bill allowing people to switch genders without undergoing sexual reassignment surgery. The new law would make Queensland the 6th jurisdiction to enact the change.
Birth certificates have always been the ultimate historic document of identification, but a new law would make it easier for Queenslanders to rewrite their personal history by officially changing their sex.
That means life-affirming recognition that many have waited decades for.
I would say that the process has been rigged.
The state government introduced the Births, Deaths and Marriages Registration Bill in December last year. Under the draft legislation, a person will no longer be required to undergo gender reassignment surgery to change their sex on their birth certificate. Instead, they'll only need to provide a supporting statement from an adult who has known the applicant for at least 12 months. Children under the age of 16 will require parental consent or a court order. This would bring Queensland in line with all other jurisdictions except New South Wales, who have introduced similar laws.
What they do is give trans and gender diverse people a simple piece of paper so that when they apply for jobs, apply to study or seek to access services, they have the simple dignity of knowing and the peace of mind of knowing that they will have the same ability to access those services and opportunities as everyone else.
A committee tasked with examining the bill held a public hearing and public briefing last month after receiving almost 400 public submissions. But one critic of the bill, who appeared in Brisbane alongside 13 other witness groups, of which more than half were in favour, believes the process has been rigged.
Having voices that disagree with the bill has definitely been an afterthought. Me, along with many other women in Queensland, tried to have a meeting with Shannon Fentiman and she outright refused. We've never met with her.
Sky News had requested an interview with Queensland's Attorney General Shannon Fentiman to discuss the matter, but she was unavailable. Instead, Minister Fentiman provided the following statement defending the process. The Queensland Government has consulted widely on this bill. Discussion papers were published in 2018, 2019 and 2020, all of which were open to submissions from the public. Women's groups also met with representatives from the Department of Justice and Attorney General as part of the consultation process.
It is a law based on absolute lies.
The important thing about this bill is it has robust safeguards to ensure that it's used for the purpose that it's intended.
The committee will deliver its final report on February 24. Lucy Gray, Sky News, Brisbane.